guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got something to show you. I got it with my sister, and let's get started on the video. First, this is actually a fidget toy and I never got it, so I got it. So it's what is it called? Okay, now I know. It's a snake. A puzzle snake. It's like really cool to play, and we can restart it to make a like straight line. I'm gonna make it now because I don't want to ruin that. And it's my thing to not ruin my thing. So I got it back. And next, I never got this before. A triple dimple, and it even got a keychain. Oh my god. This is so satisfying. It's really cool, and it's my favorite fidget toy now. And fluffy slime. I mixed all the colors up. The fluffy slime. Ooh. Fluffy slime is not my favorite, but it's okay. I just want to buy fluffy slime, even if it's not my favorite. And we got some putty. I love putties. I'm gonna open the blue one. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are so hard. This one color changes to violet. Let me get it out. Since it's purple right now, we're gonna turn it to a violet. We're just gonna play with it. Ooh, it's mixing to pink. I can see it. Oh my god. I can see it right now. This is even putty, but it's like slime, but it's not slime. It's putty. Oh my god. It's color changing. Look at this color. It's even purple, but it's now pink. Pink. See, pink. Such a nice color. I'm gonna put it back because this is my favorite color. And I don't want it to dry. And now, red. These two don't color change. Only the orange one. I mean, the purple one. Okay, I'm not gonna open that. But we have a special one. Oh, well, surprise. It's from the Dance one. Let me open it up. Oh my god, oh my god. Whoa, OMGs. Let's crack it and make space for it. 3, 2, 1. It spread everywhere. Now let me close it up. Oh my god, it spread everywhere. Even the LOL. It looks so cute. But first, I'm still going to like show everything else. First, I'm going to show the sippy cup. See, it's the sippy cup. So this is what it looks like. And then this is the flashlight. It's really cool. And we can do the flashlight. Okay. Oh my god, these are so cute and glittery. Look at these cute, glittery, tiny boots, tiny boots. And that outfit, ooh, looks cool and glittery. Ooh, the glasses. Now, we got this cap. And look. Whoa, it's so cool, right? And this is the checklist. And this is the instructions, even I don't need it. And these are the pieces that we're gonna use. And I'm not gonna do it in the video. And looks, the LOL looks like this. The LOL is so cute. Cute. Hello. Okay, let me put the shoes on. Shoes, right on. The other shoes right on. Let's put it like this. Now let's put the shoes right on. Other shoes should look like this and like this. Done. Now I'm going to put the outfit. The outfit is my favorite part, so that's why I'm doing it second. I love it so much. Sorry about that noise. That's a bad music, but I have to stay because I don't know why. Done. Now we're gonna wear the glasses for her. Oh, she's getting ready. Oh, the glasses stuck to her earring. Ooh, looks like she cries. And then let's make her ready and not too bad. Good. Now her cap. So she's all dressed up and she looks like this. She looks like this. She looks like this. It's the crying one. And look at her hairstyle. I'll show you. Oh my god. So cute. I love it. And thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you did that, the notification bell, you'll be the first one to do the notification bell. And make sure to comment whatever you like. And make sure to give it a thumbs up and share. Bye, everybody. I will see you at the next video. I love you all. Bye.